Catherine Bernardo update. Yung post ni Catherine sa kanyang Instagram na nakatanggap ng award ng endorsement ni Catherine na Uratex ng Most Trusted Brand 2025.
Congratulations, Uratex, for winning the Reader's Digest Trusted Brand 2025 in the mattress category for 17 consecutive years. Wow. I am so proud to be part of this family. I've been using Uratex since I was a kid, and it's a brand I continue to rely on. So, congrats again to my most trusted. Good job.
Congrats. So, ito pa yung mga shinare ni Catherine ng mga video at picture niya sa kanyang Instagram. Sabi niya, share ko lang kasi bakit hindi. Featuring Catherine versus adulting around 1, 2, 3, 6, 4, 8. Yan o, si Panganay Q lang. Yung mga ganap ni Catherine ngayong taon. Gumawa sila. Nakita ni Catherine si Snowy nakaabang.
Ang baby. Ang baby. Hi.
Nabuksan daw yung pinto.
Hello.
Ito yung nag-workout si Catherine with Coach Mauro. Ang lakas ni Catherine, oh. Ang ganda ng bahay nila Catherine, oh. Yan ang birthday niya. Church date ni Catherine. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is with Charlie Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.